The stock market, what you need to know. You may have heard a lot about the stock market over the years, but you might not know how to get started. Trading on the stock market does have a learning curve, but the tips in this video are meant to help you with your investments, whether you are a pro or a novice. Keep watching for some tips that will help you invest well. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. Do not let the stock market scare you. Even if the swings of the markets and the turbulence reported on the news gives you pause, consider dividend stocks as a conservative safe haven. Their consistent yields are often better than bonds, and companies with a long history of paying out dividends are just as safe an investment as bonds. Do not invest your safety money in the stock market. Even conservative and dividend stocks can take a beating on any given day. The 6-month income you have saved up for a rainy day should go into a money market account or a laddered tier of certificates of deposit. After this, you have a green light to play the markets. It doesn't matter if you are new to investing or you have traded for some time. The more you know, the more resources that you have to draw from, in order for your investments to pay off. Use the tips in this video to put you on the right path to investment riches. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.